please.
Start reading.
What do you guys have to help me?
Start reading. Go. Chris.
No, he's not starting.
Get started.
Welcome to the first official telling of the fall of Dubai. Back then, I was a young scientist, but valued as a professional by others. Pardon me, I didn't introduce myself. My name is Professor Julian of Harvard University and a former USA soccer player. There were 3 companions that accompanied me on this vital expedition, but most have retired by now. Their names are Liam, Hannah, and Rishi. Let's not forget my super useful boss. It all started when my former colleagues and I received a message in our New York City headquarters from our boss, telling us to go to our lab in Dubai. A sandstorm left a huge swath of land, which had dropped below ground level.
Okay.
What did our boss want us to know?
Maybe he wants to tell us that we got that pay raise we asked for.
Yeah, right, in a million years.
Be quiet, you two. I'm still talking. Yeah. Okay. I got it. What our boss wanted to tell us was that we got a new job offer.
Not another building falling.
No. This time it's something much bigger.
What is it?
The city of Dubai.
The whole thing?
Most of it. The major portion left is this small island. Here's a basic representation. Yesterday, a sandstorm hit Dubai, which is normal, but this one left red chemicals on the surface. These chemicals loosen the soil and cause the land to fall away. These bluish-black areas are where the surface has dropped a couple thousand feet below ground level. Our job is to discover why this small island managed to stay standing.
Hey, cool pointers!
Not for you. Anyway, as I was saying, 3 main areas that were hit by the chemical sandstorm are here, and here.
Prepare to die! Hi!
Cheater.
Now, shall we get back to work?
Yes. Anyway, what I was going to say was we have exactly 3 hours, 9 minutes, and 4 seconds before the next sandstorm hits.
How did we get to Dubai that fast?
Airplanes?
I don't know, the island doesn't seem that stable to me.
We need something lightweight and twice as fast. Any miracle workers here?
I know. We could build a metal catapult to make us go zoom to Dubai and land in the pool that Hannah will make for us.
Seriously? That is the most horrendous idea I've heard.
Thanks for the constructive criticism. Wait a second. Remember that package that we got last week?
Oh yeah, our new backpacks!
Close enough. Julian, feast your eyes on these.
I quit being a USA soccer player to become a scientist, and the great technological achievement I get to see is a set of 4 matching backpacks. Big 5. It was a short trip, and yet Hannah managed to hold on to a book while in the air. When we finally got to our Dubai lab, after a short day of travel, we got right to work.
Sample time.
The ground feels like mud.
It's probably the red chemicals in the soil.
We can use this
4 minutes.
sponge to collect the red chemicals. We can use this sponge to collect the red chemicals and pick it up with the spikes in case the red chemicals are poisonous. Okay, we should do something.
So now, Jordan, let's take this back to the lab. Wait a second. This soil is attracted to the metal.
Quick, go grab me some magnets so I can test the red chemicals.
Here. Look, the magnet isn't moving. That must mean that the lander is magnetic, making it able to stay up even after the red chemicals hit it.
So that means the rest of Dubai isn't magnetic. So,
We're all gonna die!
no. As soon as we discovered the dilemma, we heard the phone ring.
Hello?
The red chemical sandstorm was approaching. You better run for your lives.
Come on, guys. Our boss says to run away because the sandstorm's approaching.
As soon as we arrived, the storm was beginning. All of a sudden, the land began to shake. In all their chaos, Rishi, who was holding the sample, spilled the magnetic soil onto the ground. We suddenly caused the land to stop shaking.
Why did the land stop falling?
Because I realized that when you spread the sample of the Palm Island over the regular land, it stays up.
So that must mean land here is not magnetic, so it cannot stand like the Palm Island.
So if we sprinkle the sample of the Palm Island all over the rest of Dubai, it will stay up?
Probably. As soon as we finish saying goodbye, we report our successful trip to our boss.
Whatever you need, make it quick. I did all the work and saved Dubai.
How'd you guys pull this off with him in charge?
When the sandstorm hit, Rishi dropped a sample of the Palm Island on the ground, making it stop shaking. Therefore, we saved Dubai.
Since you managed to pull these predictable, unpredictable acts, I think I'll give you guys a pay raise.
I knew we'd get the pay
I
raise!
can't even finish the science book I got this morning in peace.
So about that pay raise.
Did a good job for your first time, Julian. Anyway, do you mind teaching me soccer?
So there you have it, the story of how I took part in a foolish yet productive expedition to save Dubai.
Good job.